Hi, so today we're gonna do, we, not me. Today, Jinxie is gonna act as my assistant and we're going to be trying Montreal bagels. We're going to do a blind taste test. Fairmount versus St-Viateur and see which one wins. This is very controversial, completely aware that about half of Montreal is gonna hate me after this video, but I'm doing it with love, and I'm doing it we're doing it because we're hungry. In Montreal, when you get the bagel at the shop and you order it at the counter, ask for hot. You ask for straight out of the oven. That's how you order. And you might not even care which bagel you're getting. If it's poppy that just came out of the oven, that's what you take. If it's sesame that came out of the oven, that's what you take. If it's blueberry that came out of the oven, then you give it to the American tourist behind you. In Montreal, what you do is you eat the bagel right away. You go to the bakery, you eat a bagel, you buy a dozen, you buy half a dozen, doesn't matter. You're gonna eat one on your way home, and the rest you save for home. And the rest, whatever, you toast them. If you're smart, you get home and you slice them all right away. That way, when you're ready for them, they're already pre-sliced. And you can even freeze them. You can slice them, put them back in the package, freeze them, and they stay good in the freezer for quite a while. And then when you're ready to get them out of the freezer and eat them, you pop them out, put them in the toaster. They're already pre-sliced and they come out perfect. All right. Okay, I really can't see shit. Is there a hole for my mouth? Does that work?
Yeah, it works.
Okay, we got drag bombs here doing the behind the scenes.
Hi, everyone.
All right, I think I'm ready.
Okay.
Where did Jinxie go? Come on, come on. Which one's your front? Is this the top end?
That's the top end.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the bagels.
Okay, Jinxie, ready? He's going to get the bagels. All right, I'm ready. Put Fairmount here and st-Viateur here. I'm not gonna spill anything if I go like this?
No.
Okay, here they are. Can I take them closer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And there's water here somewhere?
Mm-hmm.
Am I gonna spill it?
No.
Okay, there it is. Okay, this is so much fun. I'm having so much fun already. I don't think there's much of a difference. What I can tell is that this one feels maybe more airy to the touch if I squeeze. This one feels a little more dense. I'm gonna try on my left first. I'm gonna go for that one first. I'm gonna break off a piece. No, I'm gonna bite right in. What do I do? I don't know what to do. Okay. So the taste of sesame is very strong. The consistency, it's like the dense chewy. Yeah, tastes like a Montreal bagel. Okay, I'm gonna go for the second one. I'm not gonna guess until I've had them both. So this one, yeah, this one does feel like squeezing it feels a little more airy. Oh, isn't that interesting? Okay. The sesame doesn't hit as hard on this one. I'm gonna come back to that airiness. That airiness feels more substantial in this one, which is more pleasing to me. So I don't know which is which so far. I haven't made that guess yet, but I think I'm leaning towards this one is the one I liked more. The differences are so subtle. Go back, have another bite. This might be really ugly to watch. Do I have sesame seeds all over my face?
Mm-hmm.
I do? I'm trying not to laugh so you can't see the sesame seeds in my mouth. Yeah, this one is denser. This one is airier. This one tastes a little more like a wood burning. So what am I supposed to do now?
Which one do you like better?
Okay, am I supposed to say which one I like better, or am I supposed to guess which one's which?
Both. Which one do you like better?
Oh, man. I'm gonna say I like this one better.
Okay.
Now, if I were to guess which one is which, there's no way to guess. Okay, one more little itty bite.
You still like that one better?
I don't have a napkin, do I?
No.
Yes, I still like this one better. So that's my choice.
Rate that one on 10 and the other one on 10.
They're both a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
I'm not trying to be diplomatic. I'm being honest. A Montreal bagel, whether you have this one or that one, they're both amazing products. They're both a unique take on the bagel. They both represent Montreal. I mean, I'm the Montreal expert. I cannot like one and say the other is subpar. They're both Montreal in a bagel form. I'm gonna say this is my favorite today. Tomorrow, I might say it's this one. I'm gonna say this is St-Viateur and this is Fairmount. I am nervous. Okay, so by looking at them now, oh yeah, let me see if I can tell the difference by looking at them. This one is maybe a little more cooked, right?
Mm-hmm.
It looks a little darker.
On one side.
On one side. Maybe that's why this one was a little harder to the touch. I'm sticking to what I said. I said what I said, but okay, whatever. Can I just turn them around and see? Really? I'm not surprised. Oh my God. I don't know what I just did. What type of controversial wormhole did I just go down?
You ruined it.
Did I ruin everything?
So now, knowing what you know, take another bite and see.
See if I change my mind?
Are they different? Taste-wise.
Slightly, but I'm not convinced the difference is enough, that it's an actual difference to every Fairmount bagel and st-Viateur bagel. I think it's the difference between these two particular bagels. I think this one tastes a little woodier, and it tastes a little less sesame. Sesame wasn't the star of this show. The star of this show was a sweet woodiness.
So they're sweeter.
Yeah, and this one is woody,
Sesame.
more sesame. All right, let's leave it there before I ruin anything else. I don't think I did anything good just now. I think I just stirred the fucking pot and I ruined everything. So join me next time when I'll ruin more Montreal foods
What's next?
and make everyone hate me even more. Please leave all your terrible comments and call me all the names you want to call me. Next is poutine. Gonna do a poutine next time. I think I'm gonna do La Banquise versus Chez Claudette. But if you have any other recommendations, let me know. Oh God, what am I getting myself into? Voilà.